Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jim Han. Today I'll teach you how to bake dinner rolls. You will love it. Your home will smell like fresh baked bread. For the ingredients, you will need the following: 330 grams bread flour, 60 grams caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 120 ml water, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, add to water, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 45 grams of butter. All ingredients go to the mixing bowl. Use your hands or stand mixer with dough. Mix for 15 minutes or until the dough forms to a ball and elastic when you pull it out. Rest for 2 hours. Divide the dough into small chunks, 80 grams each. Roll the dough into balls. If you are in rush, use your hands. Fruit for 45 minutes or double in size. When the dough are developed enough and ready to bake, add wash and sprinkle sesame seeds on and some topped green onions because I like green onion. You can top with any kind of favorite herbs if you like. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. That's it. Enjoy your fresh baked dinner rolls at home. Wow, this is soft and floppy. I love this. Maybe you can smell this.